Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to a new update on Fetch or ASI, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. I mean, I still call it Fetch for now, all right? Until phase 2 is done. I'll call it Fetch, but was relatively bullish overnight. Started yesterday evening or something. I mean, you can see it right here. It really started rallying at like 9 p.m. yesterday in my time zone at least. Stayed relatively bullish until 3 a.m. So it was mostly either the end of the US session or kind of the beginning of the Asian session. Doesn't matter. It was momentum, which is great because that obviously brings back hopes. Fetch has been largely bearish since May, so it's you know, you would say it's about time to actually get some bullish momentum again. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about what's possible. We'll talk about what I am looking for in terms of Fetch. And that's what we'll do. And hopefully it will be valuable to you. But that's up to you in the end. So first of all, there's no meaningful updates as far as I know. I mean, obviously Fetch and ASI are still updating on what's going on. But there's no, like August the 3rd, we had some sort of a progress update. But apart from that, it's still just retweeting things from Ocean, Singularity, and Fetch. Which is fine, but we're still kind of left in the dark about what's going on. I mean, they say that they're waiting for third parties to agree with everything. We'll see. Maybe it's also like maybe they're just also waiting for better market circumstances, a little bit of better price action before actually finishing this, concluding this, which they hope will provide some momentum, right? It's in general, it's a catalyst, so it can be used by market makers, by traders to pump up the price, and maybe they're waiting for better market circumstances for that. But all right, if we go to the price action, what we had is that we kind of had some sort of a compression right here, and we were able to break above that. So that's good. Got the breakout above 90 cents, which was also the 236 fib right here. So that's a decent bullish breakout. But for me, and I said this the last time around when we talked about Fetch as well, for me it's $1. All right, that level around $1 between 95 and 1.05, that's the main level. All right, the momentum, like we gained some nice momentum with Fetch as well, but I'm not convinced that we're going to be bullish right here. All right, I think it's good. It could be the start of something good, but if we zoom out here. And this is something I think is very, very important. Like the level around $1 is a strong psychological level. You have the 382 fib there. It's a strong technical level just historically, which you can also see right here. You have the 3-day 200 EMA there. That's the level, all right? If we're able to break above that, then I will turn bullish. Anything under that is nice, all right? So bullish momentum that we had yesterday evening, I should say. That's nice, but $1, break above that, hold above that, and then I will buy. It's as easy as that. All right, that's enough of a breakout. And I assume that if we're able to do that, then I assume the markets are also stronger. So maybe there's something going on with AI that would be ideal. But this is what I'm waiting for. All right, short term with the breakout we had, it looks likely that we're going to test $1 and 1.05. So I do expect that on the short term. Short term, I'm actually relatively bullish on Fetch. But for me, it's not worth trading unless we get that major bullish breakout. All right, so I would say wait for that. I think that's the best thing to do. If you want to scalp, if you want to do some short-term trading, maybe you can trade the retest of 90 cents. But that's risky. That's not something I would do. All right, but those are my thoughts. Short term, I would say this is most likely. So a retest continuation up to $1 area, and then a consolidation until we either get a lot of bullish momentum from the markets or not. And if the answer is not, then we'll just stay down here and consolidate down here. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.